Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Stars at Sea. In this tutorial, I'll focus on how you book an unforgettable cruise performance vacation for your students. This will include all aspects from your initial quote request through first deposit. So let's get started. The first step in this exciting journey is to head over to starsatsea.com. Once you're there, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Performance Request. Now, fill out the form with all the necessary details. For the most accurate quote, please be as precise as possible when selecting your month of travel. Just like with hotels and airlines, cruise prices can vary depending on the date you travel. Once you're done, click Submit. Within 1 to 2 business days, keep an eye on your email inbox because you'll receive a quick quote offering 1 or 2 fantastic options based on your request. Take the time to review and discuss these options with the key decision makers in your school. Once you've decided to proceed, follow the instructions included in the quick quote to complete and submit a group registration. After you submit the group registration, you'll receive a full quote for your requested sailing within 1 or 2 business days. Page 1 of the attached PDF will confirm your selected sailing date and provide pricing for all standard room types, in quad, triple, and double occupancy. Now, onto page 2. Fill in the dates and pricing that match your school's specific requirements. For example, your pricing may include a school markup, costuming, rehearsals, etc. Your payment dates may include processing time on your end. Print page 2 and distribute to each student or family invited. Don't forget to follow the instructions on page 1 and submit a stateroom request for yourself. After you've distributed page 2 to your invited participants, they simply follow the instructions to submit their stateroom request. In the instructions, your participants will be advised to deliver their deposits to the school within 24 hours of submitting a stateroom request. Collect all the deposits and forward one company check, made payable to Stars at Sea. Please keep track of how much each student or client pays. Since this is a group cruise booking, all payments must be made at the group level. Please watch our tutorial on group versus individual bookings to learn more. And there you have it, your guide to booking an amazing cruise performance vacation with Stars at Sea. If you have any questions, simply reply to your quote email or give us a call. If you found this tutorial helpful or informative, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and for considering Stars at Sea.